That's what my girlfriend said. She's like, no, it's like I'll only do like city rides with you. I'm not gonna go on the interstate. Alright.
What's up, y'all? So it's me, and I'm at work. But so I'm working at 12 today on a Saturday because tomorrow's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there in the world. But yeah, this is what I'm doing all day from 1 p.m. to 12 a.m. setting up the party and everything else. But this is what, you know, is gonna start today. There's a bunch of stuff I'm gonna do this week, but this hopefully this video is not too boring. But I just want to let you guys know that I'm gonna be doing this all day, so there might be a little fireworks show, and I'll show you that. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys when that show happens.
Before, this is Delirium Fountain. The one that's currently going on right now, Delirium Fountain.
I'm not sure if they want those. So let's just take these ones and if anything.
Next up on the list will be Allegiant.
I'm getting paid to do this, guys. This is crazy. Yeah, sitting here till 12, so that's good. I'm taking a break, so we'll come back when they start. Jesus Christ. Yeah! This is quite the start to a video. It's gonna be kind of a long one, but it's majorly dark out here. I'm a little scared. But guys, tomorrow, it's gonna be bright and sunny. So let's go. Yo, another day. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Dad. The fam's here. We have some more people coming though, but check it out. We're at the lake.
Let's barbecue that.
It's gonna be lit.
Carry this up to the tree over there?
Oh shit, my bad. You're good. Hey, Anthony.
Hey, how's it going? Happy Father's Day to all the fathers in the world. Where's that, Mama?
Steady chilling. I got pinched yesterday on my bicep.
Yeah, that's what I took in.
What's up, little man?
What's right there?
What's up, bro? Right now we're just chilling, eating, doing our thing. Here. Oh, here you go.
Yeah, you do them now. Okay, real quick. Washington already has his.
So right now I'm walking up this to the camp because you already know. Super nice though, super nice out here. Look at all this. These little things over there. It's 80 degrees. Oh God. Hey, hey, hey. Yo, yo, yo. What's up?
And then we got some watermelon right here. You know, rocking at the cate today, you know.
Yeah.
Got some carne asada cooking, some oil. Cervezas in the cooler. We got some avocado. We got some fucking potato salad, macaroni salad, rice. Yeah, we got enough food right here to last us at least 15 minutes.
Well, puppy.
Knock me out.
That was throwing a grandpa over there.
God.
Hi. That hurts, y'all. That's cold as hell.
What are they coming in?
Yeah, we take some water.
Oh,
What's fell over?
oh.
Hope you guys are enjoying your day, though. I am. We're just out here enjoying ourselves. You already know.
You're not going to go in, are you?
Not all the way.
Don't burn.
Don't drink it.
I'm gonna laugh and lose it and just slosh in.
Yeah, it's really rubber. Well, I think my baby's too wet. I wore it 2 days and I didn't even put it get wet.
Oh, in Vegas, cold water will feel nice.
Yeah. Yeah, it's 101.
Hey, so
The bully! The montage a la verga.
So it's really hard to keep bringing you guys exciting content when I don't want to leave my house. It's super hard. I can't do it, man. But I'm gonna end up just doing some challenges for you guys. Spicy noodle, toast in. I'm gonna buy whoever in front of me's lunch or food or whatever. But yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see in the comments. Next video, I'll start doing some stuff and I'll figure out what I want to do. But so I'm chilling in my living room right now, and I don't know. I'm just kicking back right now. You know, I'm editing a video. I'm also playing my game. So multitasking. I just got off work. I don't really want to do this, but I have to because I'm doing it for you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be doing it right now. It's all for you guys. Content. Make sure to watch, like, subscribe, share, do everything you can do. But I love you guys. Until tomorrow comes. So guys, so this video is going to be a little bit of a part 2 because I'm actually going to go to Vegas. So just expect a video, tomorrow or today. That's when we're posting this video. But I'm going to be posting another video on Monday or Tuesday when I get back from Vegas. So you guys are going to get 2 videos this week just because I'm going to Vegas and I have time to edit. I don't have time to edit, but on the car ride home, I'm definitely gonna just edit because I have time to. I'm at work. I'm gonna be at work right now in a second, and then I'm gonna come home. And it's Thursday tomorrow. Once I get out of work, then it's time for Vegas. So I love it. All right, guys. So a couple things that happened that you guys may not know. I'm going to sell both of my motorcycles. I know. I'm sorry. It's just something that I thought of a lot. And I think it's time for me to let them go. So another thing, I'm going to Vegas tomorrow at 4 a.m. So expect another video. This video is gonna be a little, somewhat long, but there's gonna be a vlog. That's gonna be probably 15, 20 minutes long. It's gonna be a Vegas vlog, so it's gonna be cool. Look out for that. It's gonna be probably around the same time Wednesday, so maybe. I'm coming back Sunday. I might upload it for you guys Monday or Tuesday. Just watch out for that because of the fact that I usually post on Wednesdays instead of Mondays and Tuesdays. But so I'm gonna post this video today. It's Wednesday, the 19th. And I will post another video, the Vegas vlog, probably Monday, Tuesday, or even just like scheduled Wednesday. But yeah, so guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. But I'll see you next time. Peace!
Peace!